Number 10. Outsourcing, the pros and cons of outsourcing services instead of hiring employees, and tips on how to find and manage them effectively. Hello and welcome to this video on outsourcing. As an online business owner, you may consider outsourcing services instead of hiring employees to help manage your workload. Here are some pros and cons of outsourcing and tips on how to find and manage outsourced services effectively. The pros of outsourcing include cost savings, access to specialized skills, and flexibility. The cons include the potential for communication challenges and the need for effective project management. When outsourcing services, be clear about your requirements and expectations. Use reputable platforms and referrals to find reliable service providers, and conduct thorough interviews to assess their qualifications and expertise. Once you've selected your outsourced service provider, establish clear communication channels and expectations for quality, delivery times, and pricing. Use project management tools and regular check-ins to ensure the project is on track and delivered to your satisfaction. We hope these tips will help you make informed decisions about outsourcing and achieve your business goals effectively.